Have you ever wondered where you should place your blush based on your face type? Or where you should place your blush just because you want to place your blush that way? Well, you're at the right video because today we're trying all the blush techniques and we're placing our blush in different places for you to compare on your own. This is a video I've been wanting to do for some time now, and today's the day, so let's go. So the blush we're going to be using today is this Floor Power by MAC, or I'm going to be using the Morphe Face Palette, one of these two shades down here, and it's going to be exaggerated so that you can see the full effect. I'm doing on a fresh face for the simple fact that I don't want the makeup to look weird when I have to wipe one off to do another example, so this is how we're doing it. The first one that we're going to do is one of my favorites, and it's just right here on the cheek. So you want to take the blush, it's going to be heavily exaggerated. You want to just, okay, so this is the first placement, and this is the placement I like to do a lot on myself. I just think it looks good, and I also like to do this placement a lot on my clients, i.e. my brides. So this is the one that I do if I'm like going to some type of event and I want it to look a little bit more formal. But I will put the face shape that this is great for here, but honestly I break all the makeup rules. So although I'm putting the face shape that, you know, the world says is good for, these are all face placements that I've done because I break all rules. But it is helpful to know based on your face shape which one will look the best. So we're going to compare on the other side. So we're dipping again, and we're going to, let me go ahead and just pull my hair back. So now we're going to do the other side to compare placements. So the next one we're going to do is higher up here, so not so much on the cheek area. Okay, can you see the difference? This one is heavily on the cheek. This one is higher here. I like this one if I'm doing more of like a magazine type look. But this one is also great for like that facelift. We're wiping off and we're trying two more. I did change my hair again, but I have the blush wiped off. And so now I'm gonna show you two more placements for face shapes, and then I'm gonna show you ones that I just like to get creative with. So the second, or the other one that I'm gonna do, the apples of the cheek. So just on the apples, like so. Which this one I rarely ever do because I just like it. I always like to bring it back, but if you're if you're a person who just likes the blush lightly on your cheeks, then this one is for you. And I will also put the face shape this is best recommended for here. Then this one we're gonna take underneath the eye a little bit more. Yes, I know it kind of looks like I have a black eye, but you have it here, and then you have it on the apples of your cheek. Okay, so the next one is similar to the very first one I did, but we're not going to bring it as close to the front. So we're just going to keep it back here, but we're going to put it in the same area, like high cheekbones. And I would say this is for a more like snatched look, but it's also for this face shape. Now the next one I'm going to show you is more just like fun for me, I think, and it's like the perfect summer type blush placement. So you have this one here where you don't come so far to the front, which I like this one too. But another one I do a lot is I take it on the cheek area, like underneath my eye, and then I kind of bring it out. So it's like right here in this area, but I'm also dragging it back. And then I place a little bit on my nose. Isn't that cute? Like when you have the full face on, the whole thing. So this one is this area. And you stop like here by your eye. And then you place a little bit on your nose. And then sometimes I like to go crazy and just like put put the blush in the same areas that I have my contour, so it has like a good mixture. In this video, I share with you the different type of blush placements for different face types. And like I said, this is just what the standard is saying, and for some it's true. And if you're wanting your blush to look the most flattering, I suggest you follow these. But for me, I'm breaking all the rules. I do whatever type of blush style I want based on the day. And if you're like me, then you learned some new blush placements. This video is perfect for beginners. And if you're taking these tips, be sure to check out these 2 videos here showing you how to do a full face so you can take your blush technique to the next level and be looking cute for any occasion and any face shape. If you like videos like this, subscribe so you do not miss out on these beginner friendly videos moving forward. It's Rock Natural, your daily beauty, your weekly beauty reporter. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next upload. Toodles.